I'm saying we only live once. And while we're saying we do to each other, we skydive off the airplane. And we start our new lives together, adventure style.
Oh my God. You're crazy.
And that same night, we start making babies.
Poor baby. That is not the way a young black man should be raised.
You don't get it. You don't understand.
Oh, I understand. Remove my grandson from this situation. That's what I understand.
So, can I get your number?
I don't give out my number like that, so. Excuse me. Yes, when I like it. But this isn't personal. This is a business. And at the end of the day, they just need employees they can rely on. And you're just not reliable.
I don't want a girl to like me because of my money.
No. But you gotta represent. Come on, Tune, you know what I'm talking about. It's all about the presentation.
I mean, you know how our culture is. Marriage first.
Zara, whose side are you on?
So what am I supposed to do? Just give up?
No.
Because?
Life is not about giving up.
So, Ismael, what's the plan for the future?
Okay, where is this coming from?
I'm talking about 3 to 5 years from now.
Oh, long term. Okay. Buying the company, of course. A lot of traveling.
Uh-huh.
And, oh, of course, most importantly, I'm getting a new car. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
Wow, that was harsh. You gotta stop expecting guys to be just like me.